No, my body. No, no.
I get paid to do me, that's a fact check. I run it up, then retrace my last steps. I'm in the eardrums talking about assets. Do you wanna hold up? I ain't even asked yet. She got her hair done, she finna need it redone. Well, that pussy so good. Stuck it in, damn, that almost made me pre-cum. I let her give me some advice like I need some. Booked up, tell a dumb bitch read some. I'm annoying it, I'm the boss. I done came out of pocket so much, you thought that I was disjointed. They pointed me towards your disc.
I'm disappointed.
My ex treat me like I ain't there. What happened to the feelings and love
Ain't there.
Just like the girls who got my name tatted and covered up, I know deep down under the surface it's still there, still there. She gon' let me hit it any day now. What you gonna say now? My ex-girl got a baby
now.
Still let me stay now. I can tell who's on the way out.
25 shows on the pair.
I ain't going home, I'ma stay out. Motherfuckers hate you when they looking for a way out. I just sit back and let it play out. And she gon' let me hit it any day now. What you gonna say now? My ex-girl got a baby now, but she still let me stay now.
Ooh, got one. C sharp.
Because you came out of my balls, nigga. Fuck rap, bustin' like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who done had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Hold on, catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that. Bobby feeling villainous, he killing this. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim shady with rabies. I'm foaming at the mouth, ain't nobody taking me out. Every single rapper in the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about. And I dare get to test me, cause not a single one of you motherfuckers impress me. And maybe that's a little bit of an exaggeration, but I'm full of innovation. And I'm tired of all of this high school, he's cool, he's not rap shit. Can a single one of you motherfuckers even rap shit? No, this ain't a diss to the game, this is gas to the flame. Nowadays, everybody saying the same shit's lame. Like a bomb to the flame, I'm a real man and killing. Know you feeling lyricism when I'm spilling and I'm feeling myself. Yeah, Bobby Bud, he been feeling himself. Man's better like this, can't be good for my health. When I rap like this, do I sound like shit? Well, it don't really matter cause I'm killing this shit. Yeah, I'm killing this shit. Oh yeah, I'm killing this shit. Bobby, how many times you been killing this shit? Find another one, goddamn, nigga.
This shit.
Fuck rap, bustle like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who done had it and he ready for anybody to buck
Put
back.
that.
Catch a vibe, ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck
Put
that.
that.
Bobby feeling villainous, he killing this. I'm coming for your man and his lady, and even a baby. I'm feeling like I'm chicken, slim
Chicken,
shady.
chicken.
Hit 'em with that then they die. We gon' leave 'em crucified. We
We
call
gon'
this shit genocide. I got bitches,
I got hoes.
I got real designer clothes. No, we ain't fucking with that. Yeah, there's a time and a place, but if you ain't coming with the illest of raps, calling yourself the greatest alive, then you don't deserve to do that. No, please do not do that. You gon' get smacked. You gon' make Bobby attack. You gon' make Bobby boy snap. You gon' make Bobby boy snap. Bobby boy fuck rap. Bustle like an addict with a semi-automatic. Who done had it and he ready for anybody to buck back. Hold on, catch a vibe. Ain't no way in hell we leaving nobody alive. Even suicide, no fuck that.
Getting some cold on. Chicken, Slim Shady.
Like Jay-Z, jiggers up, you fuckers who didn't write anything are getting washed like bathing. Young Hova, I know hitters like Yankees. Gun toters, the pull triggers like crazy. Unloaded, leave you shot up in your rover. Your body goes limping, slumps over like A-Rod in a month low, but he just homered.
Hold up, I said
Rover because now you're
Rover is red.
like Red Rover, so you know what I meant. But I wrote over my opponents instead, making dog sounds. Cause I gotta keep breaking these bars down. I'll go slow for the spits. But when I go like the Doberman said, I still think the roof would go
And over his head.
beast mode, motherfucker. Foul lines, you think I'm a free throw. Figured it was about time for people to eat crow. You about to get outrhymed. How could I be dethroned? I stay on my toes like the repo. A behemoth and sheep clothes from the east coast to the west. I'm the ethos and I'm the goat. Who the best? I don't gotta say a fucking thing though, cause I'm C's no. But you don't wanna hear me spit the facts. Your shit is ass like a tailbone. And you're trapped in your cell phone. I'm a chicken scratch on my self load. I don't wanna fucking listen to you spit your rap someone else wrote. Used to get beat up by the big kids. Used to let the big kids steal my big wheel. And I wouldn't do shit but just sit still. Now money's not a big deal. I'm rich. I wipe my ass with 6 mil. Big bills like a platypus. The caterpillars coming to get the cannabis. I'm looking for the smoke, but you motherfuckers are scattering, battering everything. And I've had it with the inadequate man. I can see my dick is standing stiff as a mannequin. And I'm bringing the bandana back in the fucking headband and the handkerchief. And I'm thinking of bringing the fucking fingerless gloves back. And not giving a singular fuck like fuck rap. I sound like a fucking millionaire with a derringer with a hair trigger. About the bear hugging fucking Terry. The Ric Flair dripping. Y'all couldn't hold a candle. Let a prayer vigil when I vent. They compare me to a fucking air duck. I'm about to bare knuckle it. Nah, fuck it. I'm gonna go upside the head with a Nantucket Africa fucking dabber. The track is the blood. I'm a track that I'm attacking it. What Dracula? Fuck that shit. I'm up back with a thud. Man, stop.
Look what I'm planning. I'm planning to do all this.
Man, I've already downloaded those though, dog.
Mannequins. And I'm going to Fannikins trying to get up a Plannikins. All of the Plannikins,
Y'all gotta quit with this. Yeah, see? They on here already, yo.
I'm in a cabana and a Janet. I'm in a cabana chanting on the stand-up banner. Well, you don't got the stamina, you're lacking the stamina. You're lacking the stamina while you're divorcing Harrison Ford, and I'm in a Porsche and I'm flowing ports while I'm on torrent. I'm using way too many napkins, papkins, lapkins and chapkins. You using chapstick and napkins while I'm papkin, flapping around like a babkin, flamming a babbing pan and champkin, damn it again. What's poppin'? Brand new whip,
Just Stockton.
I got options. I can pass that bitch like
Stockton.
Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone.
End zone, put the bad bitch in the friend zone. Ooh, ooh.
This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo.
Ooh, ooh.
Fool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the Ville, and I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine.
Yeah, friend, no.
Me and my amigos got that free smoke on the West Coast. Yeah, I'm talking about pre-rolls. Dark hair bitch, and she look like she go. She do. Hometown hero, feeling myself, can't murder my ego. She heard of my deep stroke. She said, babe, does it hurt when I deep throat? Certified freak hoe, hang around dust, and she learning my lingo. Back then, wasn't worried about me though. In the gym, trying to work on my free throw. Goddamn. Spending money at the club like Sam's. Yes, ma'am. She a little freak on cam. She don't put this on the ground. Little boys trying to diss on the ground. Hey, I can't switch on the fan. Shit's hot, hit the switch on the fan. This where my head is. I feel resentment from every direction. Even some homies be wearing expressions. I be discouraged from sharing my blessings.
Show me. Show me, baby.
It feels like it's wearing and stretching. I'm getting real sick of taking advice from people that never could stare at reflections. Somewhere in there is a lesson. Y'all involving is very depressing. I'm at the club with the basketball team. Me and the Cardinals are sharing a section. Gotta cherish the present. I'm drinking water and wearing protection. Got a career and I'm very invested. Some people call it a scary obsession. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, it's packed in. I'm digging her accent. I got a BB Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow, and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed, they satin. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag, they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that bitch like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10.
I got to like super real like super makers. I jump, stomp, sick, on. Now I mix Saturn, up to Saturn. Don't you shatter, get me higher than a ladder. Your baby mama better, Jagger. Jumping at the grease. Trying to count some sheep. Hot. And ooh, wind up, and up, unplugged, and up, nut dug like, dude. Make a fucking sense like in a fucking 50 exorcists for barbecue sauce and the McDonald's and the good burger should have taught you. I mean, like, dude. Hot. Let's see. Hey man, it's Dior.
critique my demeanor. Today I'll dress up a Republican and go get some hair from a white man's daughter. Her lips aren't big, but I'm loving it. I'll get in fake ID, I make loving it. BDBNT like the government. Except for the cops. Mission impossible. Start with a Glock, then a Glover. Tip 100 if you let my cousin in. You know everybody my cousin. Oh yeah, and I gotta be thugging it. Cause my hair can get nappy as fuck over jury, and I got that chocolate coloring. Well, at least, like, you know, that's what they made me feel like. Why they make you feel like that? I don't know. I mean, it's America, right?
Hot damn, hot water, hot shower. Hot Atlanta
Smoking green cauliflower.
Tangerine, yeah, I call it sweet and sour. And
I'm
my
a-
lawyer say it's urgent,
I'm
call him
in an hour. Why can't I? That's a vibe. She wanna vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. She wanna vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. She wanna vibe. That's a vibe. Vibe.
that's a vibe. She wanna vibe. That's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. Late night. Oh, it's a vibe. Let me slide. Oh, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. Dim the lights. Oh, it's a vibe, yeah. Get high. It's a vibe. Oh, it's a vibe, yeah.
It's a vibe, don't you lie. Your pussy dripping, gushing, dripping down your thighs. It's a vibe, get high, digging deep while I'm looking in your eyes. Vibe is the realest. I know you feel it. It's a vibe, different vibe. It's my vibe, nigga. All the bitches like it.
Okay, so I got the ambience just where I want it. And if you get paid, it's solely based on your performance. My ego is enormous like my crib in California. If you ain't got no heart, man, you're gonna need a donor. Now I said I'm from the corner of the ATL. Well, we got that clientele of
On the
paper
trail.
Broke so many bills down that
At
I'm
the
still
shop.
A hell Glock solo
Smoke.
rocks
By the mailbox.
Got a vibe, make a yellow chick turn the neck. Got a vibe, make a cougar wanna spin a check. Got a vibe,
Make
make
it
a Asian wanna
Versace.
bite.
Gotta buy, make it Versace.
Carbon copies get declined. I'm
Man,
a
and
pioneer.
near be
That
dep.
pussy up.
I need riot gear, any tier.
Gas in a Ziploc. Now
Damn, you know you did was just repost it, you ass.
this is our year.
Let me see, what can you do? Dude, how many times you gonna call me? Hello?
to me softly. You gon' touch yourself, get off on me. What you want from me? Got your dogs running hard, pumping and your skull jumping. You gon' fall for me. You gon' cut a bitch and brawl for me. Whole bunch of missed calls for me. That's withdrawal, honey. Let that nigga give you more money. It won't solve nothing. I take you shopping in all countries. Buy your dog something when you go topless and draws for me. Look like art to me. The way you sound when you talk to me.
Sound like harmony. Talk to me. Dude, hush!
You know, I got a key right by the brie. I got a chick named Christina. Know who to meet when I need a new two-seater. Two new divas know who to greet when I need some brand new weed. And two new reefers know who to see when I need some brand new freaks. And two new skis just right there. Pop up on your light, yeah. Buzzing like I'm light, yeah. Ain't see me in the light, yeah. I pull up and I put my dick inside your chick, your nightmare. Got it on my shirt, it might smell, but that means she coming and it's right there, yeah. Talk to me, baby. You's a busy little missy, baby.
That pussy tall back. I can spoil you with these big. She got good head and she eat her cornbread. The Ray Fred, Ben Frank, my friend's dead. I don't wanna miss her. I love the money, I don't wanna kiss her. The pussy official. I fuck her one time, now her face in the pillow. It's a 119. My diamonds fighting. There's not no bright link. That pussy biting. I tell her to talk to me. Plug and walk with me. Ooh, she busy. Fucking my baby.
I said torch. All right, well then, asshole, then give me a. That's what's up.
Crib made a tap out, sign made a tap out.
AI-based image recognition. Okay, okay. This involves training complex machine learning models to recognize, okay, objects and patterns. Complex. Yeah, tell you what. Design and implement distributed system data shared across multiple servers. This would involve managing connections, handling features, cryptography, high frequency trading. Oh, yeah, design, implemented trading systems, thousands of transactions, that would involve managing currency, calculating complex trading strategies, real-time data processing. That's good. That means that's probably going to be that audio. Let's see, processes large volumes of data in real time, such as stock market data or media feeds. This would involve managing data pipeline optimization, process of performance, and ensuring data quality. Dude, I'm about to put y'all's ass outside. Oh, okay, Mama's home. That's what's going on. I was about to say, what the hell? They won't shut up down there, man. That makes sense, though. This would involve understanding code base, reverse engineering, understanding its functionality, and implementing new features. Remember, the complexity of the task is highly dependent on the specific requirements, constraints, and complexity of the problem at hand. Well, good, because I got all kinds of problems at hand, you know. Man, I love the sound of that reverse engineering tool. That is amazing. Let's see. Who can reverse engineer software? Take your time. I'm not in no hurry. Oh shit, it's already done. I don't know what the hell I'm thinking. Yes, I can provide information on reverse engineering software, which is a process of disassembling compiled code to understand how it works. This is typically done to improve performance, understand the logic, or create a similar program. However, please note that reverse engineering can be a complex process and not always ethical or legal to do so. It's always best to respect original authors' rights and intentions. In terms of programming, reverse engineering can involve understanding how to use a programming language, understanding algorithms, and understanding how. Where did I leave my spot? Software operates from a technical perspective. Example, if you have a piece of software that you've identified being a target of reverse engineering, you might start by disassembling and inspecting its compiled code to understand how it operates. Well, duh, that's just the definition of reverse engineering. This code involves understanding how the software algorithm works. It handles different types of data and how it handles user data and error case. Again, while reverse engineering can provide valuable insights into how software works, it should be done ethically and legally. Of course it should, whatever your name is. Can I rename you? This is the inspector. No worries. I created you. Let's think of a name.
studio, I'm in the gym. I got that F on the top of the brim. I'm on the level opposite of them. I'm in the front, $100 tip. I got no chains on in the bills. I like a round bottom with the hips. I got a humble vibe, but I'm him. I got 100 loading in the clip. I got some more stored in the whip.
Yep, I gotcha. We're gonna name this other one too. Dude, you know data science and you can't think of names? Seriously? I heard ya. Okay. Oops. You know what I mean. I was just making sure that you knew you could, really. I already knew that you could because I trained you already. So I was just trying to make sure you knew you could. Just testing the waters. Just testing the waters. What are you doing? I'm definitely going to fix this GUI for him because this is ugly. But what? I'm going to drive today. Both eyes closed. Man, see, that's a fine idea. Drive no Kia. I don't no deal. Let's do it. It fell off the door. When I got home, it had fell off the wall in there, and I had to clean it up. We got to get another one. I don't know how that one failed, to be honest with you. I'm gonna have to. Well, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at the nail. I know it. I'm sad too. I ain't never had so many problems. I'm up here training large language models and can't hang a flipping picture. That's sad, ain't it? Yeah, I am. I got to get to a stopping point. I'm right in the middle of this project. I can't just stop. I know it. The both I stole. Two-tone PT. With a two-tone GG.
So with both eyes closed, a lot of people still got a lot of shit to say about the clothes and the pics I post. But it's a beautiful day outside today. Don't know what car I'ma drive today. Promoter just brought me 200 grand and I'ma count it by hand out hundreds with both eyes closed.
Don't mean to brag and boast, but I be fresher than most. Ran through my first million playing on the West Coast. Keep some pretty girls around me everywhere that I go. We made it out the streets, pop a bottle, let's make a toast. I run circles, run square niggas with a blindfold. And she said, let's make love, want me to fuck with my eyes closed. But
took her clothes off, I went straight in it, both eyes closed. Crazy, bro. Wait a minute, I'm fresh as fuck, let me strike a pose. Hands down, iced up, white and rose gold. She walking around my penthouse in my Versace robe. Since a juvenile, I stuck to the cheat code. Serving out the kitchen, but I never touched the stove. I told my bitch, you mine now, you ain't gotta work. Just keep it real and let's go spend it meals. Yeah, friends call me for a while. Stick and cook a do so with both eyes closed. A lot of people still got a lot of shit to say about the clothes and the pics I post. But it's a beautiful day outside today. Don't know what car I'ma drive today. Promoter just brought me 200 grand, and I'ma count it by hand out hundreds with both eyes closed.
Oh, shit.
Give me some space.
Let me see.
I'm the type of nigga that you meet at the bank. Grade A bitches treating me like a saint. This money doing something to my brain. This money doing something to my ego. This drink got me talking like zero. These pills got me feeling like Neo. And this freak in my ear trying to go. I turn your crib to a whole house. I'm a rock star. Drink till I pass out. Drink till I motherfucking pass out.
Drink till I motherfucking I'm in the truck surround rapping with the Vaseline. You know the clean lean jump like trampoline. Orange vert with the skirt, rims tangerine. I fell asleep and had a dream right on MLK. 2 pink rings, 2 pints of lean, 2 cups, 2 turn, 2 hoes, 1 me. They were screaming free Gucci, but now that goo was free. Blue cheese, no ranch, Honda's on me. 30 cars deep in
Hell yeah, yes.
Ray Scrimmer, Gucci, man, it sounds perfect to me. Now I'm back on top like I'm supposed to be. But I done post so many pints, that shit got old to me.
Kung Fu Kenny, look, who the fuck you talking to, you ain't me. Salute me when I'm walking through, you ain't me. Everything I do is with the extras. Flipping couple million for investments. And my hood love me unconditional. Your hood love you cause you on the instrumental though. This rap shit crazy, need the woo-side. They screaming Compton, must be 2 sides. R.I.P. the shotty lawyer, beat I know I'm flexing. VIP my video 200 on the gas list. I don't like the sugar coat of politic with yes men. I like me a bougie hoe from Normandy and Weston. 2017 on to bigger things. I got a smaller team, got a bigger ring. Everybody a crip till they black and blue. Everybody a blood till they hemorrhaging. Oh man, Mike Will made it. 2 back-to-back spurs, me and Mike Will made it. Double park on the curve, I can drive but I'm lazy. Half a pipe, whole pipe, gassed up crazy.
Holding on to memories, tossing, turning all night. Yeah. Leaving would be wise, but you know where my heart lies. I be rolling every time that I arrive.
What's up, Scooter?
Hey, buddy. What's up with you?
Oh, man, I'm kicking like a pack of ninjas.
Hell yeah. I'm just trying to put the rest of this little side project together.
You said you had something you wanted to show me?
Oh yeah, a couple things, I guess, but it's on this. Let's see Discord.
Damn. Cyberpunk is still $60. Jesus. I ain't paying that for it.
Huh?
Cyberpunk. I'd like to play
Whoops.
Cyberpunk.
I didn't do that.
It's still $60 on Steam. It's been out for like 6 months, 9 months. Let's see what Aneba's got it for. Cyberpunk 2077.
Where did it go? Where did it go? None of that was it. Guess none of that was it. It was just right here. Is this it? Oh, this is it. I closed it down on myself here.
No bueno, man.
Can you see this program right here I got going?
Here, let me click on watch stream. Make it a little bit bigger for all my old eyes.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I can sort of see it. Universal AI Studio.
That's just a placeholder, but so this is one of the projects. I built and trained large language models on for specific specialties. And they're running. This one's running 7 billion weights. This one's running 6.7 billion weights. This one right here is a data science expert. Anything data science, programming, stuff like that. It'll tell you what it can do. But anything data science, it's a master at algorithms and all that stuff. This one is just for quick back and forth talking and spitting out stuff and reading and deducing TLDR and just your everyday.
It's chatbot GT.
Well, yeah, but I guess but it's mine.
Yeah, well, I get that.
It comes from an open source GitHub. The Llama projects. Isn't that owned by Google? Isn't that who owns Llama?
I'm gonna say no because I'm not sure what Llama is.
It's so Llama Quinn and Llama Deep Stack. Let's see. I'm pretty sure
I've heard Deep Stack.
Let's see who owns Llama. Meta. So whoever Meta is, I guess that's Facebook and shit then. So it's their AI that they keep open source. And I just stole all the code from them off GitHub.
Yeah.
Which they let you, obviously. It's open source. So I just forked the code, and so that way when they make big changes, it'll cascade down to my model automatically. And then I myself can also make changes to my own model that won't affect the changes that they make and push down to my model, and then my changes don't push up to their model, right? So they're 100% local, 100% free. Don't need internet, anything. Everything is downloaded on my PC for them. They only take up space whenever they're being called. When it's open right here like this, they're not being called, so they're literally not using anything as far as energy from the CPU, maybe just a tad bit of memory. but so that's and I'm also working on a reformat because I don't really like this format, so I'm going to redo it. This is just kind of what I threw together real quick to kind of get something down. But now that I have it kind of laid out the way I need it, and I'm going this right here, I just put this here for now as a placeholder, all this stuff. But what's going to go in here, in this box here, I'm putting a image, a text to image and video creator, and training it on clips and emotions, like you know, gestures. I mean, not emotions, but gestures. So it watches, you know, when you can tell it to watch you like while you're playing, and when you do a certain gesture, it'll take a clip for you, and then it'll uh caption, it'll send it to this one right here, and this one right here will make the captions and overlay the captions onto the short or the video, you know. And then it'll send to this one to rendering the end product, and then uploading it to the socials automatically. You follow me?
Yep.
You see where I'm going with this?
Sorta. Yeah.
All right.
So
So
it'll capture.
this is going to
your
kind of be
screen.
some framework for your auto stuff. You know what I mean? I mean, I'm making this one right here for somebody else, but it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
When I make this one, all I got to do is copy it and then tailor it to you, which is just nothing to do with the code itself. That's just to do with the parameter, you know, changing the name and the colors and the format, making it more you friendly, which is very quick to do. And then I can re-push it to you, and then you can download it to your PCs or PC, and then you can start figuring out what you want to do and how you're, you know what I mean? Like we can go move it to that next step to kind of get you automated. You know what I mean? Like I know you would want it to be automated, you know?
Interesting.
You still want it to be automated, right?
Sure.
So the process that I've been doing isn't this process. It is a completely different process, and it's much longer, much lengthier, much more in depth. There's more mechanisms involved, more triggers involved, more basically, you know, more things that could potentially break, right? So I'm going to shift everything I already have over to this model as soon as I get this one and get yours operating. I'm going to start pumping out. I got 11, so I got to copy it 11 times and tailor it to the 11 channels that I have already. They've already got branding, and also I ain't got to worry. All I got to do is just take the branding metrics and rerun it and change it to match the metrics, and then push it, you know, all shut down all that logic and fire up all this logic, right? The good thing, the other good thing about this is 100% free. This is not going to cost you a dime.
Yeah. You know, I was thinking about making an app the other day.
Doing it the way that I've done it was almost 100% free, but it wasn't. I say 100. I mean, it's starting to get expensive because as memory and all that stuff, the spaces that I have to have for the agents and stuff, the maintenance cost is now higher. The rental costs are now higher. You know what I mean? So I'm like, I'm at a point myself too, where I got to make, you know, I got to sure to get off the pot with it. You know what I mean? Because I'm outrunning the profits with the costs, and with this right here, so far the way it's set up. Now I still got this last model to put on there to kind of seal the deal. It's going to be a 3-step process, but I'm going to build an app. It's going to be an actual, and just let me show you this here. Kind of. You still with me?
Yeah, I'm here. I can't read any of that.
Oh shit! You know what?
It's way too small.
Yeah. You know, and you might be better going to the stream and watching it on the stream than Discord, honestly, because you could probably do it full screen and because I have it full screen, you know.
You're streaming it. I've got it full screen, but I've got your background.
Yeah, see the stream would be just this window, not the background.
Let's see what we got here. I'm sorry, if I'd known you streaming, I wouldn't have jumped in your chat.
Oh, you're fine. I don't care.
Okay, yeah. See the Discord, you captured the screen, not the program.
That's correct. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shut the sharing in Discord down. Save that energy there. All right, let me show you this. So you with me so far though, right?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm slow, but I ain't stopped.
Well, I just my mic and stuff's been cutting off and stuff, so.
Well, let me close your stream so I can get rid of that echo.
Where is the auto thing?
Excuse me. I think I'm catching a cold.
It kind of sounds like it.
That's gonna suck, man. I've been sniffly and snotty all day.
Let me grab this password real quick.
Remember, you're still streaming if you're showing a password.
Nah, I should only be showing just the screen you're looking at, which is my coder, my environment.
Right.
If you see otherwise, let me know. But it should only be that.
Okay.
Then GitHub. And copy.
Yeah. Well, nothing blew up tonight, so
good
for today. Couldn't get anything to work. We got to figure out what the crap's going on with Waldo, man. I sent 2 jobs Friday, and they're still not near us. But it created job number and all that good crap. And I don't know what's going on with it.
All right, let's see. We want to open this project here. No, I ain't gonna do that. Just had the damn chat. Where did it go? Oh, I guess I moved that stupid chat thing. I without realizing it. I gotta find it real quick. I'm sorry.
No problem, man.
I don't know where the hell I stuck it. Oh, there it is. Golly, I'm so damn it. Sonic Scout. Can you see this? Nope. I'm gonna have to. Oh shit! I opened too many that time. Where I need to share this with you. And change it to this. Done. All right, can you see that?
I'm sorry, I lost you. Hold on.
That's all right.
Close it. I think I closed it. I swear to God, I didn't close it.
You just got to go back. Oh, I guess you would have to go back and pull it up on YouTube or something, huh?
I'm going back right now.
Oh, hurry.
Well, you're up to 3 viewers, man.
Am I? Heck yeah. Woohoo!
Twitch, yeah. Woohoo!
All right. Thank you for coming and stopping by. Thank you. All right. So can you see this?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I got you.
All right. So this is another piece of software that I've been creating over the past week for somebody.
Yeah.
It's audio compression, audio tune, audio spectranalysis. I don't know.
Spectranalysis.
Yeah, but basically what that I guess you probably know what it means, but so
does it have noise reduction?
Well, that and I got it linked to, like, so you ever heard of Squid Link? It's like this big, okay, so you have, all right, so it's got all the headset, like filter targets and all that stuff. And like the really smart people with the $10,000s of machines they map out targets for all the games and stuff, and they put the game targets on there, and then you also have your headphone targets on there too, so you grab the target, so you equalize them together, right? And then you inject them, right? So the goal is to bring the IEM driver target equalization and the game equalization, bring the target to the game, and kind of try to mirror it. And then when you come in here and select it, so let's say that's one of them right there. Say you wanted to do your razors, or I think it's actually like RZR. Say you want to do those, activate the profile. So now you're sitting on the profile. It'll auto EQ. When you build this target, I'll have to add another step in to auto EQ against the target that you're building the filter for, which say in my case would be Call of Duty. I think it'll be Black Ops 7 is the target that's actually out for it. So when I select this, it'll automatically target, bring it in. It'll equalize it on my controller board here, and then the game sound will be playing live, just like you see it right here, pumping up and down. So I can legitimately turn and look at my spectrum graph, and then as people are running around me, watch where these footsteps live, and then in real time, live, tune them jokers, even like tweak them even better, right? Like
Yeah.
if it watch the overlay of the score streaks and the footsteps, and pick up where one, you need to remove one, turn one down and leave one up, or um you kind of get what I'm saying. So and then I also built my own relay. So
So is this only visual, or does it actually enhance in your headset?
no, it enhances it.
Okay.
I built a driver. It's a digital audio driver. Um, and like a relay, I guess you could say. So it takes over. So this right here, it literally, the built-in feature that I made will take over, kind of like if you had a voice meter banana, or like if you had wavelink, it's like that. So I actually I built the relay, like the built-in relay, and all the drivers for it. So it's literally got its own hi-fi cable built in and everything. Um,
Cool.
yeah. Um,
I always like banana.
and banana's cool and all, but if I can, the goal here is to unpack one system that can do everything I need to do. That way I can control. I don't have to worry about banana. Now I'm still calling, like, so say on the installation project. So I'll still let people download voice meter if they choose. If they don't want to download mine, if they don't want mine, I'll give them the option. They can do voice meter. They can do wavelink. I'll give them that option. They can do their sound blaster, whatever they got. And this one right here, I just ain't changed the name yet, but it's supposed to say Scout Pass, right? And then here's my little checks and balances. But so what it actually does is, if you watch right here, it'll start going through the setup process.
Excuse me. Yeah.
So it uses equalizer APO. And I got it working at the WSL level. You know what WSL is? The Windows Service.
No.
The Windows Service Logger. It's like it's not kernel, but like the next step.
I just went to a commercial.
That's cool.
Well, I just didn't want you showing me something.
No biggie. But so I'm probably about halfway done with this project here.
Yeah.
And I'm actually building this. I'm building the chat app that I just showed you. The one I'm building. It's actually for him as well. So he'll get this one and that one, and then I'll copy. I say copy because I mean his actually will be the copy. The main one's on the main it's on my PC. But once I get it done, I'm gonna, even this app here, even this one here, I'm gonna do it the same way. It's gonna have its own, but it's gonna have one exe file for installation, and it's going to unpack everything. It's going to call all the programs that it needs, all the drivers that it needs. It's going to embed everything. It's going to walk the user through it just like a normal installation process would, kind of like dummy proof. I'll give my recommendations based off of what the software detects running on the user's system. So based off of what I know all the options are, I'll make little installation guides for that, which would be super easy. AI did that really quick.
I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, streamers typically are not the sharpest stick in the stick box. So you might want to use labeling that's a little easier to understand.
What's not understand?
Well, I hate to say anything because I really am struggling to see any of it, even full screen. I mean, what each one does, maybe.
Well, I mean, this is your input. This is your output.
Can you add? Oh God, I hate the green. A hover over explanation.
I can, yeah.
I mean, if you hover over a microphone to the left up there, the input, and just have a text box come up and saying, okay, this is where you go to, input your microphone data or whatever it's for.
Yeah.
I know that seems awfully simplistic, but you program this thing, so you're going to know it in and out. Someone just fooling with it on occasion, a lot of these features will never get used because they just don't know what they do.
Yeah. And that kind of stuff that you're talking, that'll get caught like in testing. So he'll actually he'll be testing it for a while, and he'll be I'll have him reporting back to me those things. So I guess that's where that kind of stuff will come in. See, like this right here, I don't even want that right there. I don't want this right here, live spectrum. I don't want that right there. I mean, I still have a lot of stuff, you know what I mean, like that I got to do to fix. Like I said, I'm only halfway done, but I mean, all the logic is there. I've already got all the script together and packaged up that will call all the programs and do all the real work. I've already all the programs. So basically, all I'm doing now is the hardest part, which is building the UI for it. You know what I mean? The app, like that's the hardest part.
Yeah.
The easiest part is all the scripts. The hardest part is this, and I'm writing it in C#, and C# and C++.
I know how to play C and C#.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
I'm guessing that ain't the same thing.
No.
Oh, my very limited guitar skills, which I've only streamed once, by the way.
But that was all I was wanting. That's all I was wanting to show you. I mean, it wouldn't, anything
How do I
crazy.
add? If I've created a bunch of TikTok videos and I've already published them, can I pull those videos out of TikTok and move them to my YouTube channel as shorts?
Yeah.
Is it complicated?
No, you just go to your TikTok, go to that video. There's 3 dots. If you hit it, you can download the device, and then it'll download it to your device, and then you just go to YouTube, and then go to upload short, and then select that device, and then once it uploads, you just delete it off your device.
Well, I'm trying to do it on my PC here.
Or you could do it on your PC. And actually, if you go to Twitch has the best platform for that, because if you cut your shorts in Twitch, as you cut your shorts, if you're on the PC or in the web browser on your phone, not the app, you can actually send with a click, you can send that same short you just made for Twitch, you can send it to YouTube. You can go right below that and it'll have one ready. You just hit the button for TikTok, and you hit the button for Instagram. And I even think they got a Snapchat one too. And it posts to all of them, like with just a couple button punches. There's really fast for all of them.
Well, I can share it to WhatsApp and Facebook and X.
Yeah, and if you go just download it on your device, you can just go to all those individually.
Okay, well, it's on my phone. I just want to be able to do it from my PC.
If you don't care about it having like TikTok in the writing or you just go to your TikTok video and then share, copy the link, or even if it has the platform there that you can share it to. You can just click it there, but it's going to show in like Facebook, if that's where you share it, that it's coming from TikTok. You know what I mean? It's going to have TikTok
Yeah,
all
I
over it.
just want to share it to my YouTube.
I
I
mean,
could
the
share
same
on
thing
the
there too. So
email.
share it on the email.
Yeah, I don't want to do that. I don't want to share on email. I want to.
No, you don't want to share it on email. You can share it directly into YouTube from TikTok. Just hit the share button, and you can either hit the copy and then go to YouTube and paste it, or there should be a YouTube option there, I would think.
There's not. Give me that video real quick. Damn, I am not an attractive man.